Enjoy unlimited ultra-fresh, healthy, great-tasting drinking water straight from your kitchen tap for cooking and making delicious coffee, tea and ice. Save money, time, and hassle of buying costly, bottled water and live healthier with ultra-safe water that is 99% contaminant-free. This premium-grade RO-90 system has been tested and certified to the highest standard in the industry WQA Gold Seal, to guarantee the highest contaminant removal rates, giving you the purest water possible. This stringent QC process eliminates even the slightest component imperfections to guarantee a system that removes up to 99% of all contaminants, such as chlorine, taste, odor, toxic fluoride, arsenic, lead, and chromium, and is completely free from water leaks, bursts, and noises. All US-made super high-capacity filters. First stage, high-grade and high-capacity polypropylene sediment filter, removes dust, particles, and rust. Protects and extends the life of the membrane and system. Second stage and third stage, premium extruded carbon block, gets rid of unpleasant chlorine, tastes, odors, cloudiness, and colors. Also removes VOC and other common chemicals from the water. 4th stage, industry's highest quality FILMTEC, Dow Chemical, high rejection TFC reverse osmosis membrane. Removes up to 99% of total dissolved solids, TDS, and contaminants such as arsenic, lead, fluoride, chromium, radium, and much more. 5th stage, advanced coconut shell refining carbon, total contamination removal, TCR, filter removes any possible residual taste from the tank. Tank dimensions 11 inches by 11 inches by 15 inches. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Enjoy unlimited ultra-fresh, clean, great-tasting water right at home. Save money, time, and hassle of buying costly, bottled water. Number 2. Designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA, RO-90 is the most durable system in the industry to guarantee water safety and your health. Number 3. Tested and certified by WQA to remove up to 99% of contaminants including arsenic, chlorine, lead, fluoride, heavy metals, virus, and 1,000 plus contaminants. Number 4. Large supercapacity filters deliver 2x contaminant, removing the capacity for fewer filter change-outs compared to smaller all-in-one filters that clog up quickly. Number 5. Comes with a 100% lead-free designer faucet, plus JG food-grade tubing to provide safe, contamination-free pure water. The original, top-notch JG Quick Connect fittings for easy and secure leak seal. Number 6. Simple and organized, RO-90 is designed to make identifying and replacing filters intuitive and easy. Number 7. Provides you the ultimate satisfaction and peace of mind with our lifetime support and 2-year manufacturer warranty with registration. Number 8. Supercapacity filters. APEC supercapacity filters last for up to 12 months with lower system maintenance and fewer filter change-out. Number 9. Supreme Quality Designer Faucet. Our modern design lead-free chrome finish faucet makes your countertop look great with a leak-free experience. Number 10. True leak-free fittings protection. Our high-quality JG fittings come with stainless steel teeth for a guaranteed grip, and a special O-ring provides a leak-proof seal. No extra clipping parts and leak detector needed. Number 11. Superb taste and water purity. APEC's premium quality products result in excellent refreshing taste and water purity. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can I hook it up to the ice maker on my fridge and use the included water faucet? Answer. Our system can be hooked up to the ice maker on the fridge with proper connections. It can either be tee-off so that it sends water to both the included faucet and the ice maker, or to the ice maker or our included faucet by itself. Question number 2. Does the RO system attach to the sink drain via a T-junction or a saddle? Answer. The system uses a drain saddle to connect to the sink drain. Question number 3. How much wastewater is generated per gallon of filtered water? Answer. The ratio is set at 1:3, where every 1 gallon of water produced, 3 gallons of water are needed to rinse out the contaminants. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.